Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to install and get started with Lightscline Edge AI. So this is our GitHub page. The link to which is added in the video description below. There are 4 steps. I'll focus on the first 2 steps wherein you can download and import your data. So next you need to go to the downloads link wherein we have sent you a customized link for the software. Download this. You'll also need another package called the Microsoft Visual C++, which you can download by clicking on this link. You'll need to install this Microsoft package. Okay, and so now we need to install our package using pip. For that, I will open a command prompt. And I will type pip install and copy paste the path to this file. So this might take some time depending on your system, and let it go through. So here we can see that the package has been successfully installed. And now I will go into Python. And then import Lightscline. So if this works correctly, we should see the text that we are seeing on the Jupyter. So here we can see that the Lightscline package has been successfully imported. And then next you can implement the step 2 through 4, which start from importing data, training your model, and testing by yourself by following these instructions. Please make sure to check the specifications that we have mentioned here, and this link has been attached in the video description below. Thank you.